can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Today's gonna be the day, we're not really sure what's going on. I've got stuff to cut out downstairs. I'm cutting out a wall. We also need to learn how to use the air compressor because our needle scaler tool is an air compressor tool and neither of us know how that works.
Because once we figure that out, I can do that while you are cutting out.
It's drill away all the old rust. Shall we do it? Yes, Queen! We have a new tool. We're using the needle scaler, so we've got compressed air here. And this is the first time Mariah is putting it on. So you pull down that little blue thing with your fingers, and then you kind of jiggle it on. How are your hands feeling, Mariah, after all that?
Shaky.
Yeah.
It's sort of
You got the handshakes. You got the handshakes.
it's tingling in my blood.
Wow.
That's what it feels like.
Isn't that usually what my love does to you?
Yeah.
Anyway, you are enjoying it, aren't you?
My new favorite tool.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
All right. Well, good. Like a basic.
Thank you.
I have to take out the section of the roof, which used to be where the stairs were. I'm going to take that out now. And Mariah's enjoying needle scaling. And there. We're getting on. I have finally got rid of the sidewall that was here. So we've got basically an entirely clean boat now. These two rows are lovely and needle scaled now compared to this. Needle scaled, not needle scaled. Just have to do it for the rest of the ship. Another end of the day.
Yeah.
Tiring.
This was really tiring.
Yeah, I mean, every day we come here and we're like, I'm sure it's going to be a non-tiring day, and then it's always tiring.
I never expected to be tiring.
You've done lots of needle scaling downstairs, which is great, getting rid of the layers of rust. I've taken out a big panel off the wall, and also we now have a hole in the ship.
Yes.
So I've taken the stairway out.
We need to measure this, don't we?
To measure this to figure out some stairs.
Yeah.
Design some stairs. But yeah, feels like a good day. Hair on point, as always.
Oh my god, it's full of dust.
80s perm.
Dust works well for your hair.
Yeah.
Not for mine.
All right, time to go home. Back again tomorrow.
Yes.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling t-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.